Haste hapuni jung firang tang bedek di Asian Development Bank kathalai stakeholder onati Swrangchalo bagra khor aguliwo kaisa kok salaimongo asulaika aromanchaka hasri montriokla Professor Dr. Manik Saha hasteni jung firang tang bedek Montri Rotonallar Tripura haste hapani Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha haste hapuni jung firang tang bedeni ojoma Abhishek Singh khobui Asian Development Bank ni ojoma eba Dagifang James Kunal Ras Akosong Pandao kok sangna thake montriokra saka okok salaimong jung firni sebrithani belai samongo nagane tamani hinba 2030 bisini bisingo jung firang nahari tongmawo tongkor hamya angya tei yafrin harjaka ana harmong tino haste hapangbo samong khlai tongo dombor timawo asuri jangnai solar panel bo asani pandani simi JudaHakotorni Phainai Adongrokno Koimung Narwkkha hastibo kamke rang baniya khlainani eba invest KhlainaBagwi asani Pandao phaimanjaka Spain Philippines Singapore Peruni Adongrokno
and all the speakers already have at length they have described and the future of Tripura in terms of this renewable energy. And I would like to share some of my points in this great gathering. The workshop energy transition of Tripura will create the spirit to promote the renewable energy in the state, to meet up the ambitious target of our country. An ever-growing population means an ever-growing requirements of energy. Nowadays, enormity of energy cannot be denied. It is essential in every walk of life, knowing the dreadful fact that non-renewable sources will eventually deplete it, and as nation contend with the increasingly devastating impact of climate changes, largely caused by anthropocentric developmental activities, the role of renewable energy in the energy and electricity mix becomes primary. Renewable energy has become one of the most important factors and hope for the world to preserve the pristine environment and the planet resources for future generations. India has been leading the world on this front, showing the developing nations of the world a way forward for socio-economic growth without degradation of the environment. Recently, we have seen that our Honorable Prime Minister already have emphasized on this renewable energy in G20 summit in Delhi. So, country has taken an ambitious target for, already have mentioned our Honorable Power Minister, that 500 gigawatt for promoting renewable energy and committed to increase the share of 50% from non-fossil fuel sources by 2030. Maintained by Tripura Power Generation Limited, TPGM. The renewable installed capacity is 20 megawatt only. Developed by TREDA. Already we have seen a video, a very small video over here, that how our Tripura renewable energy development, that is TREDA, are working upon. And our Prime Minister also shared with some of our beneficiaries. So TPGL is coming with 120 megawatt and 84 megawatt CCGT projects at Narwkkha and Boromora in place of existing 63 megawatt and 42 megawatt projects. TPGL has started working on installation of 30 megawatt capacity small hydro power plant in different locations of Tripura. TREDA kept target for installation of 500 megawatt of renewable power up to 2030, which included solar grid power, floating solar, canal solar, rooftop solar, microgrid solar, other off-grid systems, etc. TREDA signed MOU with NTPC for installation of 130 megawatt floating solar at Dombur Lake Reserve. Regarding this, our respected Secretary also have talked about. Today, renewable energy is no longer an alternative energy, but increasingly it has become a key part of solution of national energy needs. Now, renewable energy is an important component of India's energy planning projects. A range of policy and program has been adopted by Government of India and state government to promote renewable energy in urban as well as in rural sector. Tripura implementing various renewable energy, as I said, different schemes since 1997 through Renewable Energy Development Agency under Department of Power, Government of Tripura. The motto of the state government is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. With this, state government is very much committed to ensure the social and economic empowerment of rural people through bringing them for different livelihood activities.